Kojima Sushi, Ericeira, Portugal. This is the nigiri chef choice 8-piece. It smells amazing. We have several types of fishes: salmon, tuna, shrimp. We got octopus, salmon roe, scallions. We got fried onions, seaweed. We got caviar, very fresh wasabi, ginger, soy sauce. Looks and smells very fresh. The ginger is so juicy, fresh, spicy. So good, so good. So we're gonna go left to right here. Start off with the shrimp. Beautiful. The rice is so. Try that wasabi right away. The soy sauce, and I'm gonna dip in the sriracha. Let's see that. I can just tell by looking at this that I was gonna love it, and I love it. This type of fish, if you know what kind of fish this is, comment down below. Fire. Amazing. What a way to start a Monday. Salmon cut here maybe. Man, that one's been my favorite. This one just tastes like a chicken wing right there, man. Wow. Here we go with the tuna. Bro, caviar on top. Here we go. Man, that wasabi is so clean. This is lovely. Another salmon. It's toasted on top. Whoa. That one was smoky, so tender. This next one also looks like it's been torched. It's got the egg on top. Love this wasabi. This might be one of my favorite wasabis I've ever had. That one's so. Everything is so good. The wasabi, the soy sauce, the ginger. Here we have what looks to be eel. I'm gonna try some of this onion on top. Onion crisp. I love crispy onions. Oh no, I dropped my rice. No. Here we go anyways. Next on the palette for the nigiri, we have here octopus with green onions. It's all good. Sure. Yeah, whatever you need. Holy fuck. Hot. God, am I crying? Man. I'm not touching that wasabi again. Here we are last. Some type of fish with the salmon roe on top. That last bite was more fishy. Out of all of it, the last one tasted like fish. The rest of them was just indescribably good. This was awesome. Thank you for watching. Oh wow. What is this? Oh my goodness. Wow. What? Let me get that on video. Look at that. This is Kojima Restaurant. Compliment to the chef. Arigato. Wow. Man, I thought I was done. Said, no, you ain't done. Some salmon with the corn on the bottom, shrimp on top. This is going up on YouTube for sure now. They bless me. Oh. This one has like cream cheese on the inside, and the salmon's like warm. The shrimp is like cooked. Man, that was. You can taste the essence of the lime in there. Whoa! Look at that. Smoking. Dip in there. I was not expecting it to be this good at all. I thought, you know, some decent, okay, little fresh, perhaps sushi. And this is what I get. This is what I deserve right here. Look, smoking. This is perfect. 10 out of 10 so far. All these flavors. And then I'm just crazy good. Yes. Tell them I said thank you, okay? No. You're in Ericeira and you like fresh sushi. You like culinary experiences, different flavors. This is definitely a destination right here. Wow, so good. 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. Bring your mother, your father, friend, bring her parents, whoever. This is like that for real. Wow. On ice. Special for me? Oh my goodness. Obrigado. So here we have, the girl said, 3-fold shrimp. You already know how we get down over here. But first, more soy sauce. We have avocado. We have fried shrimp. We have ceviche raw shrimp on top. We have salmon roe. Now we have soy sauce and wasabi. It's got like a smoky, the raw shrimp on top. The crunch on the inside is perfect. It's not like some kind of weak tempura. It's a good crunch. It's a good smokiness. He torched the raw shrimp. Yeah. Avocado creamy on the inside. The roe on top is immaculate. The best. The best. That's it.